Hi everyone, welcome back to the set 3 speed sound sessions, the last one for this week. Okay, so today we're going to do another new sound. Today it is ire, 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 b-o-n, ire. Excellent. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, we have some picture here of some children running away from a fire. Ire, fire, fire. Ire, fire, fire. Excellent. Let's have a look. Ire. This time we have 3 letters, special friends, making one sound. Ire. So when we see this side, we say ire, ire. And when we see this side, we say ire, fire, fire. Okay, let's try. What do we say? Lovely, well done. Let's have a look at it on our chart. Here it is, it's down here. We don't have another one in that same sound bracket. So this one here is on its own. Ire. Let's do spot the sound. So you're going to spot this sound in the pack as I flick through them. Oh dear, actually I've got a few of these upside down. All right then, let's pop that in the pack. When you see it, you're going to say the sound and point to it at the same time. Are you ready? Let's go. Yes, you spotted it. Well done. Okay, let's see if you can spot it again. One more time. Pop that in the pack. Are you ready? Ah, you spotted it. Well done. Okay, let's try reading some green words now with the ire sound. Remember, as always, special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Okay, let me get these. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Bit of a long one, this one. Let's see. Well done. Good job. Wonderful. Okay, let's try reading some other green words now with different sounds in, not the ire sound. These are sounds that you already know. So we'll start off with Special Fred's Fred Talk. Say the word. Are you ready? Well done. Okay, this time you're going to do same words, but you're going to do the special friends and the Fred Talk in your head. When I push the word forward, then you're going to read the word. Okay? All right, let's go. Great job. Okay, now we're going to do the speedy round with the same words. No thread in your head, no special friends. You're just going to read the word because I know you can do it. Are you ready? Okay, let's see if I can keep up with you. Excellent. Okay, now for, you guessed it, it's the alien words. Same as always, special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Okay, let's go. Great stuff. You can read alien language. What a load of nonsense. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our spelling, using our Fred fingers as well. First few words are going to have the aya, fire, fire sound in it. Are you ready? Okay. Fire. Fire. Let's count those sounds on your fingers. Fire. Are you ready? Show me your fingers. Excellent. Let's pinch those sounds together. Fire. Fire. Write it for me. Okay. Did you underline your special friends? Excellent. What's the first letter I need for the word fire? Well done. Ire. Let's tick or fix. F-I-R-E for ire. Fire. Okay, your next one. Wire. Wire. Fred fingers at the ready. Count those sounds. Show me your fingers. Excellent. Let's do that one together. Wire. Wire. Write it. Okay, are you ready? Tell me those letters. Of course. Ire. Let's tick or fix. W. I-R-E for ire. Wire. Okay. Here's one now for you. Let's see if I can trick you. Are you ready? Inspire. Inspire. Okay, let's see if we can count that one on your Fred fingers. It's a bit of a long one. Even I don't know if I've got enough fingers. Are you ready? Show me those fingers. Okay, let's do that one together, shall we? Let's pinch the sounds together. I, N, S, P, ire. Should we do that again? I, N, S, P, ire. Inspire. Have a go at writing it. Okay, let's try that one on the board, shall we? Try calling out the letters that I need to spell I-spire. Inspire. Okay. Of course. Ire. Okay, let's try ticking or fixing that one. I, N, S, P, I-R-E for ire. I, inspire, inspire. Well done if you got that one. That was a tricky one. Okay, a couple more words. These are with sounds that you've already learnt, so it's not the ire sound, it's ones that you've already learnt in set 3. Let's have a go. Stew, stew. Try counting those sounds on your fingers. Stew. Okay, show me those fingers. All right, let's pinch those sounds together. Stew, stew. Have a go at writing it. Okay, let's try doing it on the board. What letters do I need? Excellent, well done. Ooh, as in chew the stew. Let's tick or fix. S-T-E-W, stew. Okay, last one. Road, road. How many sounds? Try pinching those sounds on your fingers. Are you ready to show me? Great stuff. Let's pinch those sounds together. R-O-D, road, road. Write it for me. Okay. Did you remember the special friends? Of course you did. All right then. Tell me the letters that I need to spell the word road. Excellent. O, of course, for road. Let's tick or fix. R, O-A, D, road. Excellent. Okay, that's it for this week. Have a lovely weekend, everyone. See you again soon. Stay safe. Keep smiling. Bye.